안녕하십니까. 서울대학교 치과병원 치주과 조영단 교수입니다.
Hello, I'm Professor Yongdan Jo of the School of Dentistry of the Seoul National University. First, let me introduce today's patient. So, the patient that's going to receive surgery is 71-year-old female. After extracting number 26 implant will be delivered. Our plan today is, as I said, to use crestal approach, do implant surgery for number 26, and I do not plan to do any bone grafting. So let's look at the photos first. As I said, 71-year-old female and implant on 26 who has history of osteoporosis, and from 2018 to 2023 she was on bisphosphonate but switched to hormone medication now, so there's no high risk. And due to periodontititis on number 15, she's actually receiving treatment at our periodontology department. This is a panorama photo on 26. Bone height is about 7.2 millimeters, and because of that, I plan to use a 10 millimeter implant. So here, I will do sinus grafting, crestal approach without bone grafting, but deliver implant. So let's watch the surgery together first.
각도가 안 나거나 하는 얘기야, 그냥?
5에 10 하나 주세요. 이제 나사 같은 게 하나 있어요. So I hope you enjoyed that surgery. So let's look at the result of this surgery. I used CAS Kit and the sinus lift was successful, and implant has also been positioned very well and was linked up to the healing abutment and sutured. So panorama view, as you can see, PS3 5.0 10 millimeters implant, and as I planned, implant was delivered successful with the crestal approach without bone grafting. So hope this has been useful to you watching the surgery. So if there's opportunity next time after delivering prosthesis, I will also share with you the follow-up result. Thank you very much.